Okay, think about this. Every single day, algorithms are making huge decisions about our lives. Who gets hired for a job, who gets approved for a loan, even who gets critical medical care. And when an AI learns from our history, data that's just full of decades of human bias, it doesn't just copy those mistakes, it scales them up, big time.
And that right there is the exact problem FairLens was built to solve. It's an AI bias detection platform that lets companies actually look under the hood and find hidden discrimination before these systems affect real people. Not after a lawsuit, before.
So what makes FairLens so different? I mean, there are other tools out there, right? You've got IBM's OpenScale, Google's What If tool, Microsoft's Fairlearn, but they all share the same critical flaw. They tell you that bias exists. They give you a number, a percentage, and that's it. They just stop. It leaves you totally guessing. Why is this happening? Who is it actually hurting? What am I supposed to do about it? And the big one, am I legally exposed? FairLens answers all 4 of those questions. It does this with 3 core breakthroughs. First on the list, something called decision archaeology.
So, decision archaeology. When FairLens finds a biased feature, it traces it all the way back to its root cause in the real world. It actually cross-references your model's data with things like US Census data and historical redlining maps. So it doesn't just flag a postcode, it tells you why that postcode is a proxy for race.
Exactly. That's the whole point. FairLens makes that link totally explicit. And that just creates a fundamentally different and way more urgent conversation inside any company. The second breakthrough is the live counterfactual sandbox. Now, this is cool. It lets someone who's not a tech expert, like a compliance officer, see the bias happen with their own eyes. They can take a real loan applicant who was denied, and with just one click, they flip their gender from male to female. That's it. Same income, same credit score, same everything. But all of a sudden, boom, the decision changes to approved. You can't deny that kind of bias when you see it happen right in front of you in the boardroom.
The third breakthrough is the harm probability score. FairLens takes all these complicated technical findings and distills them into one single powerful number. The score considers how big the bias is, how severe its impact is, and how many people the model affects.
And here's the crucial part. That score automatically maps to specific articles in major regulations. We're talking about the EU AI Act, America's Equal Credit Opportunity Act, you name it. It shows you exactly which laws the model would violate. It gives you the full legal context in just a single number.
And FairLens is really smart because it's designed to speak to 3 different audiences at the same time. Your data scientists get the deep technical charts they need, your compliance officers get a crystal clear, traceable audit trail,
And the executives? They get a plain English verdict with a clear business impact statement. It translates abstract bias into what they care about, concrete financial and reputational risk.
Finally, when a model passes all the checks, FairLens issues a fairness certificate. It's a signed QR-linked badge that a company can actually display to prove they're compliant and to build trust with their customers. It's a whole new standard, and it gets re-audited every 90 days because fairness isn't a one-and-done thing.
So yeah, that's FairLens. Bias made visible, measurable, and finally fixable before it hurts a single person. You know, this isn't just another academic tool. This feels like a truly category-defining product that moves this whole conversation from just theory into real, tangible action.